and welcome to My Quaint Cottage. I'm Jessica, and in today's video we're going to be making pomanders. Pomanders are very easy to make. They are simply a clove-studded piece of fruit, typically an apple or an orange, and they're wrapped with a ribbon and a bow and hung on a tree for decoration or in a closet for fragrance. And they are just so easy to make, and I think they're very, very pretty. So of course we'll need some apples, and here are our cloves. We've got several assorted ribbons. I've got gold and red, and I wanted to make a little leaf to go on it, so I've got some velvet ribbon here. And to draw my leaf, I've got a pen, a skewer will help to get the cloves into the fruit, some scissors to cut my ribbon, and I'm also going to be using my glue gun just to kind of hold the ribbon in place so my pomander doesn't fall out. Okay, now I'm going to move everything out of my way and get started on this project. Some of the cloves are hard to put in, so I'm just using a skewer to poke the holes, and then I'll put the cloves in. And there is my studded fruit with the cloves in it. The skewer did actually really help to get those cloves in there. But even with using the skewer, you have to be really careful with the cloves or they will kind of disintegrate. And as you can see, it was a big mess. So make sure you're using something that you don't mind getting messed up. That did take a bit of patience, but now I'm on to the fun part. I get to play with ribbon. That was a lot more fidgety than what I remember from the last time I did this, but I really wanted those ribbons to lay nice and straight. So now I've got that part done, I need to make my leaves. And for the leaves, I'm just going to use this green velvet ribbon. I'm going to draw my leaf design, and then I'm going to hot glue it on the top of the pomander. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe below, and don't forget to hit the bell for notification of new uploads. As always, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.